center for family gatherings and building memories, this lakefront property took years to develop, but was well worth the effort. The main house features a large great room, multiple dining spaces, and a massive kitchen. A multi-purpose barn sits just behind the home. It provides ample storage and a spacious party loft. The third structure has multiple units, so the kids have their own spaces while visiting. It truly is a dream property that provides fun for all ages.